name is Aga Tompkins. Welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I got this look with this palette and these fluid paint liners, stay tuned and I'll show you how. Today I used this So Jaded palette. It's been a while, so it was really fun to dig back into this one. I honestly have so many more things to do with it. I probably should break from buying more stuff and really focus on the palettes I have and use them to show you guys different looks with them. So I think that's where I'm gonna be at right now. If you guys have any suggestions for my channel, if there's anything you'd love to see or a palette you would like me to try, I'm all about it. That excites me and it gives me a challenge. So please feel free to let me know if there's anything that you'd want to see me do. I really had fun doing this look. It was definitely like a creative 80s vibe and I needed that in my life right now. I'm craving Halloween and it's still a while away, but I feel like the good thing is, although my Halloween looks take me a long time and are more intense, this kind of look is really fun for me in the same way where I get to be creative and just do something kind of avant-garde, and that's how this feels. So I hope you guys like this one. Stay tuned and check it out. My dog is chewing the bone so hard right now, so sorry guys. All right, I'm gonna be using this So Jaded palette. It's been a while since I busted this beauty out, and it has some amazing colors, and I gotta do it. So I'm going in with the turquoise, which is turquoise. We're gonna use that to start. Danny and I are going on our honeymoon next week. I'm so excited. So as you guys know, we got married right before the pandemic. We were actually planning on going on a honeymoon right after our wedding. We were gonna figure out a date or whatever. We never bought tickets or anything, which is good because then obviously the world shut down. So we got real lucky with that actually. We were gonna wait and just see how everything happened at the wedding and then plan it, even if it was last minute. We're kind of those people. We have no problem packing up and leaving. We found out we couldn't go on our honeymoon. We waited, and now it's going down. We are going and I'm so excited. I can't wait to do this. I don't know why. I haven't done anything really this year besides YouTube, I feel like, or since everything kind of started. So it's really exciting to have like a thing to look forward to. I'm sure you guys can relate or understand. I don't know, and it's something that we were really excited to do because we take our kids on big vacations every year, and it's one of those things where you can't really afford to do so many different travels, if that makes any sense. So this was something we were really looking forward to, obviously, since we got married, and now boom, all this time later we never went, and now we're gonna go. I'm going in underneath with this guy as well. Maybe just like in this furthest corner. We'll see what happens. So for our wedding, a lot of people gave us honeymoon fund. That was part of like our gift. So it's been one of those things that's been put off and sitting and waiting to happen. And we're so excited to be able to do it. Not everybody can take a honeymoon because financially it's expensive. So we definitely feel lucky that we're able to take a honeymoon. Even if it's late, better late than never, you know? So if you've never done a honeymoon with your honey, do it. Even if you've been married for like 10 years, just go on a honeymoon. Enjoy your life, travel, see the world. Life's too short, honestly. I'm gonna take this sapphire color, and that's like a more darker blue, but I want to just kind of pop it in the corner here. Not very much, just a little. Honestly, I'm doing this more just to darken it up, if anything. This brush is so convenient because you just like use it on this side and then you flip it and you can blend because it has sort of like a fluffy blender and a packer like that and like that. It's just like really, really convenient for me. I actually feel like I want to like put some in the front here. Doing dark in the front is a big decision, I know, but I feel like you guys gotta try it. You know, if you've never done the darker in the front, do it. Just do it. With that being said, since we are going on vacation to a beach, wearing bathing suits after COVID for all this time, granted, I haven't gained a lot of weight, but I wanna go back to my wedding weight, which is just a little less. So Danny and I are doing a diet for the next few days till we leave for vacation. You guys know already I film a little bit ahead of time than the video's actually posted. By the time I post this, I will have dieted for 5 days. It's I don't diet very much. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I've been pretty much the same weight since high school. So it's like, I know people are gonna tell me, you don't need to diet, blah, blah, blah. And I know that, don't worry about me. I promise that I'm not ever, I eat food a lot. And I'm not the healthiest person at all. I should eat healthier if anything. I'm only doing it cause I feel like it's a motivational thing that gets you boosted for like a vacation or something and you feel good. And even everybody knows, even like 3 pounds or something like that feels nice. So that's where I'm at. Hula's here. You guys haven't seen her in a while. You wanna see her? Say hi. Oh gosh. Oh, she's getting bigger. Not by a ton. I don't know though. I haven't weighed her actually. Speaking of weights, I have not weighed her recently. The last time we weighed her, oh my God, of course you're yawning. Why wouldn't you be yawning? You would be yawning, Hula. The last time we weighed her, she was 25 pounds. So if that gives you guys an idea, she's pretty small. I love her and she just got a bath and she smells good. And she's the best, you guys. I don't know what I did without a dog. What was I doing this whole life? What was I thinking? Hula, she's so sweet. Are you chewing your bone over there so loud so everybody can know? So everybody can know that you're here? Oh my God, she just wants to cuddle. Sorry guys, I can't film YouTube anymore. I have to go cuddle with my dog. Hola. Oh my gosh, she's hugging me. She's so cute. I wish you guys could know. She just pushes against me. Right now she's pushing into me with all the love. Want to say hi to our friends? Look. Hula, look. No, you're giving them the side eye. You're giving them the side eye. She's a puppy, so she likes little fun stuff, right? You're a good girl, you're a good girl. Everybody knows you're a good girl. You just want to cuddle? We're just recording us cuddling, no big deal. So this is gonna be my new YouTube life. It's me cuddling my dog. She's hugging me so hard. I wish you guys could know. If you don't have a dog and you want a dog, you should get a dog because it's the best thing that ever could happen. What if I just film me doing my makeup with her there? Do you guys think I can do it? I don't know. I'll blend. Let's see what she does. We'll blend a little. Okay, that's your ear. Sorry, I didn't mean to eat your ear. What if that's my video from now on? This is like the challenge. Do your makeup while your dog is in your lap. Good luck. I don't know. Like, how fast can you do your makeup while your dog's sitting in your lap? I guess it depends on the dog. So she will be 6 months tomorrow, actually. She's so sweet. Like, she's such a calm girl. She doesn't, like, spaz out too much. She has, like, little zoomies after she eats, like, for her lunchtime. She, like, zooms around the house for a little bit. But other than that, she's, like, chill. She's, like, chill, right, Hula? Oh, my gosh. I wonder if I could do this with her here. So now I'm gonna go in, let's see here, Hula, you wanna help me? With the aquamarine, which is this light blue. I'm gonna do that next. Let's see if I could get a brush. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with that color and that's gonna go up here. Ow, that's my eye. This is probably a bad idea. Also, I feel like I need setting spray. Okay, okay, setting spray. There, we got setting spray, Hula. Do you know? Do you know? Are you getting down? Okay, she's out of here, man. Well, that didn't work out. So I'm just putting that right in the middle. Kind of messed it up. It's fine. I say it's fine a lot. Like, things get messed up, I'm like, it's fine. You guys could probably collect all the it's fine. Make one video out of me saying, it's fine, it's fine. That's kind of how I feel about life, you know? When things happen, I go, it's fine. Just kidding. I definitely stress about stuff, so don't think for a second that I don't. I don't love how that's looking at the top, so I gotta let this dry. Okay, so now I'm putting this up here just to kind of like blend that out because I didn't love it harsh like that. Sometimes I wish I had bigger eye space here so I could do more. I love when people have bigger eyelid area. I don't know. And now I'm gonna take that same aquamarine color and just kind of pop it down in here. And I'll clean up all this fallout, don't worry. I hope I never recreate like the same look twice on accident because sometimes I'm not thinking and it's obviously my brain making up this as I go. I don't usually have a plan. Maybe I'll have to start planning it. I honestly feel like I cannot wait to have an assistant or something so that they can keep me on track with life because my brain is just taking care of too many things at once most of the time. So it'd be really nice to have somebody that like is like, you need to do this, this, and this. And I'm like, thanks. but you know, that's not happening. I'm gonna use this fluid paint from About Face to draw some stuff. I like the color of this paint because it's kind of ashy, if that makes any sense, which I think is rad. I'm just freehanding some stuff. I'm not even sure what. We're just gonna have some fun today. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not doing anything, so I can mess around and have a good time. I haven't spent a lot of time playing with these, so it's definitely about time. I've been doing so much other stuff where, like, I think this is necessary. I'm not gonna lie, I'm honestly excited for Halloween again. Like, I keep thinking I should just do Halloween looks before it's Halloween because I can do whatever I want, but I don't know. I need to get motivated, but we'll see what happens. I feel like I want to do asymmetrical a little bit, or not so symmetrical. I don't know. What do I do? This one could be more shapy, boxy, like triangular. I don't know. Help. See, this is like a perfect moment where I wish I had more eye to play with. Ooh, that's cool. I love this. Yeah, this is fun. It's feeling very 80s on this side. I love 80s vibes. And I love asymmetrical stuff too, so this is really fun. Man, people in the 80s really got it. They were like, let's just have fun, be creative, artistic. People were letting their freak flags fly, and then I don't know what happened. Maybe they went too far and then everything reverted a little bit. Maybe that'll happen again, because right now everybody's kind of totally, obviously, letting their freak flags fly, so maybe it's gonna become like lame again to be cool. Just, you know what I'm saying. You never know. The things that become mainstream later become uncool, if that makes any sense. No. No, I did it twice. Why? Why did my brain not understand that no means no? All right, now I'm gonna find the white one of this, and we're going in with the white one, and we're gonna draw something more. I just don't know what. I kind of want to mix them and make a baby version, like outline the bottom of it. I don't know. Right now, this shape is not making me happy. This is fun. I feel like I'm painting. I'm forgetting to talk to you guys because I'm like zoning out doing this life. Okay, so now that I have that shape, I'm gonna go back in with the blue and push that further back in again to cover some of this because I wasn't loving that other shape. See, that's what's fun about makeup. You can legit make it work, make anything work. This is your canvas. Do what you want. I forgot last time I used this NYX, just the brush from it, and that drew on so much better. So I'm gonna do that again. So that's a good tip for you guys. If you wanna get like pretty precise lines, these are amazing. So once you're done with these, don't throw this out. Keep this brush. You will not regret it. It's so much more precise. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. Yeah, it's so much easier to draw. I don't know what I was thinking. I was using a giant fat brush. What? See, even with experience, you still make mistakes. I'm just doing little dots there. My dog is literally freaking out every time I film. Can you guys hear her? Hula, what are you doing? This is fun. You know what? I don't need Halloween makeup. I can just do fun other makeup. Now I'm just adding little dots. That one is not little. That's okay. God, I wish I started with this one. She likes drama, I think. I decided, because she likes attention when I can't give it to her. But whenever, all day, she's fine. Well, she does. She is like mine and Danny's shadow, so that's a lie. But she's like real chill shadow. Like a cute one that doesn't bother anybody. I'm really liking that so far. So now I'm gonna get the pink and I'm gonna fix up some of these lines with the pink with this good brush. Just kind of fixing up above this guy. This needs to be crisped out for sure. I like the shapes of these so much. I'm just gonna add a dot in the center here and here. Yeah, I love that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix my eyeliner and I'm gonna put on some lashes and I will be right back. Hope you guys like this look. Hopefully it looks good still when I put lashes on and stuff. BRB. Hey, so I'm back and I got my liner and my lashes on. I am so obsessed with this look. Look at how fun it is. I really have a thing for sharp angles, like hard lines and sharp angles, and it was so fun being creative with this look. I need to do more stuff like this. Just because I like it, and I don't know, hopefully you guys like it too. It just does it for me, and although I'm not doing Halloween looks and whatever, this kind of fulfills me in a similar way. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more of my stuff. If you've been here before, thanks so much for supporting me continually. You guys have no idea. It's almost a year since I started posting videos again after starting my channel. I think I started my channel in 2014, and then it took me that long to actually do what I've wanted to do for so long, just because I've always been so busy. I don't know. I think it's one of those things that was like a blessing in disguise, for me at least, because I can't believe I've continually been doing this for this long. I wouldn't be doing it if you guys weren't there watching and commenting and doing all the stuff. It really means a lot to me, just so you guys know. I really appreciate you. Thank you. Have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!